Good morning, boys and girls. Today in your math book, you're going to be working on lesson 10.6. It's on page 565. You're going to be finding the area of regular polygons. You need to remember that a regular polygon is a polygon in which all sides have the same length and all angles have the same measure. We'll talk about irregular polygons later, but for this lesson, you'll only have to deal with regular polygons. So I'm going to do two different examples for you. The first one we're going to work with is a five-sided figure. All side lengths are equal, all angles are equal. So that makes this a regular pentagon. Sorry. A regular pentagon. Okay. So the first thing that we're going to do here is we're going to go into the center of this pentagon and we are going to draw a line from the center to each vertex. And remember that a vertex is where two line segments meet. So we'll do that. And if you do that correctly, you should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 congruent triangles. Okay, so now we are going to put a base here of 20 centimeters for this triangle and a height of 14 centimeters. So the first thing we want to do after we've done this is we want to find the area of this one triangle here. So the area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. So using this information, we're going to find 1/2 of 20 times 14. Mentally, I know that 1/2 of 20 is 10, and 10 times 14 equals 140 squared centimeters. Now, that is the area of this one triangle. But because this is a pentagon, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 triangles that we have to take into consideration. So we're going to multiply the area of that one triangle by 5. And if you do that correctly, you will end up with an area of 700 squared centimeters. Now the second example that we're going to do is this figure here. It is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6-sided with 6 equivalent angles here. This 6-sided regular polygon is called a hexagon. And we're going to do the same thing that we did with our pentagon. We're going to draw a circle in the center of this hexagon, and we're going to draw lines to the vertex. And if you did that correctly, I know those aren't very straight, but you should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 congruent triangles because this is a hexagon with 6 equal sides and 6 equal angles. So we will label this one triangle here with a base of 4.2 meters and a height of 3.6 meters. You will have decimals in this lesson and you'll have whole numbers, but you won't have fractions, so you don't have to worry about that. So the first thing we want to do is find the area of this one triangle. So again, the area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. So we have 1/2 of 4.2 times 3.6. Mentally, you should be able to know that half of 4.2 is 2.1 times 3.6. And you'll have to work that out over here. 6 times 1 is 6, 6 times 2 is 12. Put down your 0 or your x. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. Add those up. 6, 5, and 7. Move your decimal point over 1, 2 places. 1, 2. So the area of that one triangle is 7 56 squared meters. Now, because this is a hexagon, we have, again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 congruent triangles. So we need to multiply this by 6. 6 times 6 is 36. Carry your 3. 6 times 5 is 30, plus 3 is 33. Carry your 3. 6 times 7 is 42, plus 3 is 45. Go back up. You're moving your decimal point 1, 2 places. 1, 2. So the area of this regular hexagon is 45 and 36 hundredths square meters. That is the area there. So hopefully those 2 examples will help you get through today's lesson. If you have any problems with the work on page 568, the Connect to Science with the honeycombs, you can text me or email me or FaceTime me and I can help you get through that. So good luck today. Have a great day.